As a coach for small business owners, I've come to find that there are three main hurdles holding most small businesses back before they get to that next level. In this video, I want to give you solutions to all three of those problems. The first issue is lead flow. What tends to happen in a small business is we market, then the business comes in, but then we have to go and produce the work that we just sold, right? And then what do? We stop marketing. So the moment we're done marketing the business, guess what? There's no business to be had. So what do? We have to have a form like a social media, an email list, a workshop, something that you do that generates interest in your business on a weekly basis. And you want to even keep a stat on that. How many new people with telephone numbers or emails did you get a hold of this week, so that you know that one day when you've done with all the work you're supposed to be doing, that you've got something to market to. The second issue I find is that the business owner doesn't have a profit plan. You're making money, but you don't have profit. There's nothing left in the bank. And after the accountant calls you up and says, you did make profit, pay this much tax, usually we ask them, where is it? Because it's not in my bank account, right? So what do? Allocate a bit of every single sale you make to a profit account. This should literally be a separate bank account to which you allocate your profit to. And finally, if your business passes the leads issue and then the profit issue, you run into the last and final hurdle to overcome. And this is not having an organization. And in fact, you just have a job. Meaning if you don't work, there's no business. To overcome that, you have to organize your business in terms of departments. You have to build it as a conveyor belt with SOPs, standard operating procedures, that pass the particles in your business from one division to the next. If you build your business that way, it's well organized and it can expand so that you can work a day a week or maybe a month a week without stress, without worry. So if this kind of stuff is interesting to you, give me a follow. These are the three business hurdles to overcome. And if you can overcome them, you can scale your business into a beautiful business. So I hope this has been helpful to you. See you in the next one.